We just got to New Zealand and had our first wonderful meal at none other than KFC. We're in Marsden Cove is where the boat is. We're just right by the airport right now, so we're gonna journey up there, stop and get some biltong on the way. There's a awesome place to grab some. So we got here just a bit ago, but we've just been lazily sitting in the car. It's been raining and lightning and thunder, but we are here at Marsden Cove Marina. How we doing?
Kind of cold.
Leah. Look at that bad boy. Every time I see old boats like that, I think, wow, that thing's got a lot of stories. Alright, we're gonna take down the Genoa. So funny. Everybody knows more than you know. Right on.
We're not professionals.
The neighbors are. We met them when we first came, but they are drunk as drunk gets, and he's telling us how to hoist someone up the mast and yelling at me. So the wind kicked up, so we are not going to be able to take it down. So hopefully it calms down in the next 10-15 minutes and we can pull it down. So pretty. There's our Airbnb, and the marina is just right around the corner. So pretty. This bay is awesome. Oh, you can't even see it in the phone. Look at that moon coming up. What's this called?
No clue.
No clue. Whangārei.
Somewhere in New Zealand.
We just got done with church, and it was so lovely. We went to the same congregation that me and the boys came to when we got here, and it's so fun to see familiar faces again. Good morning. We got scheduled for 1 week to get the boat hauled out, as we're taking off to go down to the South Island today, I guess in the morning. But we're gonna get it hauled out, redo the bottom paint, get a few other little things done, and it's so nice. We worked so hard to get it all ready in Vanuatu, so it's like in such good condition. I love it. Marsden Cove Marina is awesome. We're on our way to Auckland to go to this tennis thing, but it doesn't start for a few hours, so we have a plan. We're going skiing. If you're a little kid, get out of my way. I don't know what I'm doing. Mama said there's no recording her. Look how good you did. This is so great. It's like, honestly, so perfect for beginners like us. Until the morning, that old music gets me going. How was it, Mama?
Great. I owned that magic carpet.
Dude, this was so fun. We just paid for a 2-hour ski session, and it was like perfect. So now to the warm sun. It's so nice.
One's going up, one's going down. Nice and big shots there. Touch the wheels so far.
Alrighty, we just got here. Apparently you have to eat at Burger. It's crazy, the line's very long. The great thing about not making plans, I was talking to someone yesterday about traveling with a plan is the pits. Anyway, we are going to ride some go-karts. You can drive supercars and stuff here too. And I've done it once, and I got the nicest car they had as a Ferrari something, anyway, in Vegas. And it's like cool, but it's lame because someone's sitting right next to you yelling at you what to do. And so here they do that, but we're just can't do go-karts with the kids. It's always such a blast. Bunch of annoying kids.
I gotta go too.
We got away with love, but don't know what to do. It's complicated by these things I can't undo. So can we talk this out? It's such a violent sound. Girl, we know all our cards. It's time to lay them down. Before I can fall asleep. Before I can fall asleep. Before I can.
Alrighty, we're going to do some karting, riding a tricycle. Mr. Fantastic.
I love to wake up in the morning, but keep dreaming without wording. The day is gone.
Yeah, Ruby!
And sometimes I take a walk, but I forget about
This
the book I can
is so much fun. We've only had one casualty. Emerson flipped his, but anyway, it's awesome.
They're knocking on my door, but I'm knocking them down. They say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna lie in the sun.
How was it?
That was good.
Who's the fastest?
He crashed twice. And I passed him.
Well, that was pretty awesome. Okay, we're back in Wanaka, and we've come to the famous, apparently it's famous on Instagram and stuff, but here's the Wanaka tree. It's pretty cool.
That'd be so fun to be driving.
We're about to experience an Antarctica storm.
Wait, how much colder is it gonna get?
It's colder in there. The storm starts in like 2 minutes, I think.
Yeah, that's real cold.
Oh, dinner is served.
Wow. The burger? Is that the last one?
The South Island did not disappoint. It's so cool. So many cool adventures down here. We Met so many lovely people as well. But we are heading back up to Auckland, and we're just taking off from this Airbnb. But we are gonna head up to the boat, take the sails off, kind of take off some of the lines, and then haul the boat out tomorrow afternoon, and then the next day head home. So it'll be fun to be on Leah for a day and get some work done. Came for a quick visit to the temple. So pretty here. So we're kind of bummed. We're gonna go bungee jumping down on the South Island. There's a really cool one that drops down into the river. We actually stopped there for a minute. Anyway, timing didn't work when we went back through, and we were just like, let's not go. And so now we're in Auckland. They jumped from this bridge. Me and Ruby are being wusses about it, right?
Well, I don't know where they're jumping from. That's gonna be my excuse.
So what's annoying is she's gonna regret not going, and then on our way back down she's gonna be like, I wanna go. So we're gonna have to come back. Mark my words. Finally taking down the Genoa. It's like anyway, it's 8:30. The wind's picking up quickly. Yeah, so we have a scheduled haul out at 2:30. So just getting things cleaned up. We slept on the boat last night, so that was fun. It's funny. It's always an adjustment for a few days to get in the groove of sleeping on the boat. So Marsden Cove, if you're coming down here, is such a awesome place. You can get most stuff done. Most of the workers don't live right around here. There's some Indian guys, but they live like 30 minutes away. But up further in the river, there's actually more protection. And there's so much protection here. But further up the river, there's actually a few families up there that we know that there's tons of protection, and you're right downtown in Whangārei, I think is what it's called, and so it makes it super fun to be able to. There's a grocery store right across the street, and I guess it's pretty cheap. I'm not sure what it is, but I know it's cheaper than this marina.
Alright, so we're just going to the fuel dock right now because we're empty of fuel on the port side. And so once we get there, we're just going to fill up and then haul out.
Last time we hauled out was in Charleston, and they had a big old crane that Leah went flying, and that, my friends, is always so scary. It's we've had it 2 different times craned out, and pretty nerve-wracking seeing her fly through the air. So this will be nice. It's trailers, in my opinion, are way better.